Okay, on this video I'm going to teach you how to solve the question for matrix, and then the matrix actually is the SPM modern max for Form 5. So yeah, actually this chapter actually is quite simple, but then you must have some basic skill in order to make this chapter simple. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Okay, let me start with something very basic first. Okay, for example, I have something like 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, what you need to understand about the matrix is every number over here have their own position. Okay, this is the difference between matrix in the normal number. Okay, because what you have to understand is you have to understand all the number here have the position A, B, C, D. So here actually you have the position for A, B, C, D as well, but then I write A1, B1, C1, D1 just to make you understand. Okay, for plus for plus and minus, the position A can only plus with the position A. That means one one can only plus with the number 2. A can only plus with A. B can only plus with B. C can only plus with C. You cannot use A to plus with C. This concept happens to plus and minus. Okay, so this is what you have to understand. Okay, so therefore it's very simple. If you understand about the position, so I'm going to write like this. 1 plus 2 is for A, so A I'm going to write 1 plus 2. For B is 2, right? 2 plus 4, so I'm going to write 2 plus 4 over here. And then position C will be 3 plus 6, so it will be 3 plus 6. Okay, and then this is position D, 4 plus 8. This one called 4 plus 8. And then I will get 3, 6, 9, and 12. Okay, and one more thing is very important is you must understand about the order of the matrix. Okay, this order we call it 2 multiple 2, because we read this matrix, we are read row first. This is row, and then only we read column. Okay, means row. Okay, for example, this matrix, you got how many row over here? 1, 2. This one we call it row. Column will be 1, 2 also. So this one we call 2 multiple 2 as well. Therefore, from plus and minus, the matrix must have same order, then only you can do the plus and minus. So for example, let's say I have something like this. 1, 2, 3. Can I plus with this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot solve this kind of equation. We cannot solve this kind of equation. Why? Because both of these matrix have the different order. What is the order for this matrix? I say we read row first, correct or not? 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. This one called 3 multiple column 1. So this one called 3 multiple 1. So this one you got 1 row, 2 row, 1 column, 2 column. So this one called 2 multiple 2. See, whenever they are different order, you cannot do plus or minus. So this question we can't solve. Okay, for example, you have something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus negative 1, 0, 4, negative 3, 2, 7. Okay, what is the order for this matrix? We call it 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3 multiple 1, 2, 2. So this is exactly the same, 3 multiple 2. Okay, when the order is 3 multiple 2, both also is 3 multiple 2. Therefore, I know my answer will be 3 multiple 2 as well. Okay, this is something simple but very important about the matrix. So therefore, I'm going to solve this one. Okay, so 1 minus -1 means 1 plus 1. So 1 minus -1, because negative become positive, right? So 1 plus 1, I got 2 for the first one. First one. Maybe this one you want to do the A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, for A. And then for B, 2 minus 0, I got 2. And then 3 minus 4, I got -1. 4 minus -3 means 4 minus -3 minus negative become positive. 4 plus 3, I got 7. 5 minus 2, I got 3. 6 minus 7, I will got -1. So this is my answer. So for plus and minus, you must take care the orders very carefully. Okay, you must take the order very carefully. Okay, so plus and minus, you remember, only the same order you can do plus and minus. Like this one, different order, you can't solve it. Okay, but I think plus and minus do not have any issue for most of the students. So I'm going to move on to scalar. Scalar actually is something like multiple, but it's not really multiple. Okay, let me explain about the scalar. Okay, let me change a new one. Okay, let's say I put some simple one. Okay, let's say I got 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus -1, 2, -4, 7. Okay, what happens if you have a 2 in front? Okay, it's very simple. If you have a 2 in front, you just multiply in to 4 of it. So just multiply into the 4 of it. So what I will get over here is, okay, this one 1 multiple 2, I got 2. 2 multiple 2, I got 4. 3 multiple 2, I got 6. 4 multiple 2, I got 8. Therefore, only I start to minus. Okay, then will be very simple. 2 minus -1, I got 3. 4 minus 2, I got 2. 6 minus -4, I got 10. 8 minus 7, I got 1. This is the answer. Okay, this is something they call scalar. Actually, it's very simple. When you see the 2 in front, you make sure you multiply to all of it. Okay, you don't just multiply 1. Okay, later I will show you more past year question and example to make you understand better about this one. So now we move to the most important part in this chapter, which is I call multiple. Because a lot of students have the difficulty in multiple in matrix. So I'm going to show you the way of multiple. Okay, let me change a new paper. Okay, let's have a look here. Let's say I do the simple one first. Okay, no, I think I do the most common one first. Let's see, same thing, I use 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's say I multiple 2, 1, -3, 1. Okay, I know 4. Use different number, easy for you to understand. Okay, in multiple, because you didn't see plus and minus on the middle, right? This means this is multiple. When you didn't see anything, we know this is multiple. Okay, multiple, you must follow something very important is their order. Okay, let's say this is 2 multiple 2. This is 2 multiple 2. Okay, we have to understand about the order first. In order to solve the multiple, the order for both of these matrix, this one and this one have to be same. This is 2, 2, right? Then I cancel out this one and this one, means I know my answer will have 2 multiple 2. Okay, let's give you another example. Let's say this is, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if I multiple this one called 3 multiple 2. Okay, if I multiple something like this, okay, 1, 2. Can I multiple both of it? Yes, because I must see what is the order for this matrix. This is 1, 2, 1. So 2 multiple 1. Okay? Whenever the middle number is the same, then they can do the multiplication. But then, what is your answer after multiply this one? Then you have to cancel out the same one. Your answer, you will get 3 and 1. That means your answer will be 1, 2, 3, and 1. So 3 multiple 1 is, this is the order of your answer lah. That means you will got A, B, C lah. Okay, after you solve it. However, if the order on the middle is not the same, you couldn't multiply. For example, if you got something like this, okay, let's say I call it 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2 multiple 2. Okay, let's say I multiply with 1, 2, 3. This is 3 multiple 1. You couldn't multiply because the middle of both of this order is different. This is 2 and 3. You cannot start the multiplication. Okay, this is very important because sometimes the student will make mistake on this one. However, I think most of the question in your exam is come out which you can multiply, because no point he come out a metric for you which that you can't multiply. Okay, so this one you cannot multiply. Okay, then you might ask how to multiply this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, for multiplication, okay, let me use back the same example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, negative 3, 4. Okay, for multiple, I want you to understand some very important concept is you must use horizontal multiple vertical. Okay, this is what I mean. Like if this is A, B, here you have A, B. Okay, A can only multiply with A, B can only multiply with B. Okay, so therefore you must use horizontal multiple the vertical. You cannot use vertical multiple horizontal. No way. So when you start to multiply, you must understand you must use horizontal multiple vertical. And A can only multiply with A. B can only multiply with B. You cannot do the repeating. There are lots of my students that do a repeating like 1 multiple 2 and 1 multiple negative 3. No. A can only multiply with A. B can only multiply with B. You see AB, AB. You see AB, AB. Okay. Let me start to do this one. Okay. So this is the law. AB multiple with AB multiple with AB. A multiple with A, B multiple with B. Okay. Let's see, must be horizontal, multiple vertical. Okay? Okay, let's have a look. What is the answer on here? Okay, therefore, 1 multiple 2, I will get 2. Plus 2 multiple negative 3, I got negative 6. Then I got the first one. Okay, this combination will give me the first one. And then this combination will give me the second one. So I'm going to use other color. Now the second combination. Okay, let's see. So I want, okay, see this combination multiple with this combination, I will get this one. And then I use the bottom one. This combination multiple this combination will give me this one. And this combination multiple this combination will give me the last one, mean D lah. A, B, C, D. Okay, now I got B. So this both of this is on the top, right? So I'm going to use this one is on the top. I'm going to use the horizontal on the top to get these two. Okay, because you will see actually this is vertical, right? So mean this one actually will top one, and then is on your left hand side will give the first one, and then on the top with your right hand side will give you the second one. Okay, actually it's quite simple to understand, but then okay, you see the demo. Okay, 1 multiple 1 will give me 1. Okay, then I cannot use 1 multiple 4 again, because this one A can only multiply with A. Then B I going to multiply with B. Plus, middle is always plus. 2 multiple with 8, 2 multiple with 4, I got 8. Second combination done. So now the top part I done already. Now I going to come down to the bottom part. Mean I no longer use this one because done already. Okay, this one done already. So only focus on the bottom part. So A multiple with A, B multiple with B. Because combination is AB, AB, AB. Okay? Okay, 3 multiple with 2, I got 6. Plus 4 multiple with negative 3, I got negative 12. Okay, and then this combination done. Last part, so I'm not going to use this combination anymore. So this combination multiple with this combination. Okay, so 3 multiple with 1, I got 3. Plus 4 multiple with 4, I got 16. Therefore, I just solve it. I will got 2 multiple 2 matrix over here. So it's negative 4, 9, negative 6, 19. My answer. Okay. Is it very hard for you to understand? Okay, let me show another example to make sure you can understand. Because this is very important. Because if you misunderstanding the multiple, then you cannot solve the matrix question in paper 2. Okay, let's try something like this, because a lot of students might think something like this is very, very difficult to solve. So let me write something like this. Okay, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiple with 1 and 2. Okay. Before you start to multiple, make sure you always write the order. This one is 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. 3 multiple, 1 column, 2 column. Multiple 2. This is 2 multiple 1. 2 row, 1 column. Okay, means my answer I will get 3 1. That means my answer I will got 1 answer, 2 answer, 3 answer. Okay, 3 multiple 1. Because 3 and 1 is the only thing I left over here. Okay, so start again. Let me write the multiple concept. Horizontal, multiple, vertical. A, B, A, B. A can only multiple with A, B can only multiple with B. Okay, so over here you're going to see the combination. So this is the first combination, horizontal, multiple, vertical. Then I have the second combination, horizontal, multiple, the vertical. Okay, and then I have the last combination, horizontal, multiple, vertical. Okay, let's start to do it. Okay, 1 multiple 1, I got 1. Plus 2 multiple 2, I got 4. See, I cannot use 1 multiple 2 again, or I cannot use 2 multiple 1. No such thing. A can only multiple with A, B can only multiple with B. Okay, then I got the first. Okay, because I got A, B, C, right? I got the A here, so I'm going to solve B. Okay, 3 multiple with 1, I got 3. Plus 4 multiple with 2, I got 8. Okay, and then 5 multiple with 1, I got 5. Plus 6 multiple with 2, I got 12. Therefore, my answer will be 5, 11, and 17. This is the answer. Okay, okay, okay. However, I think some of you might, okay, because sometimes you will find that sometimes the multiplication you have to plus, but sometimes you do not need. Okay, so now let me show maybe one of our example. You won't see any plus on the middle, but then it's still multiple. So let me come out a question over here. Okay, let's see. We do something like this, 1 column. Okay, something 2 multiple 1. Let's say I got 1 and 2. This one we got 2 multiple 1. Okay, then I multiple with 3 and 4. This one called 1 multiple 2, right? 1 multiple 2. Okay, so therefore in order to start multiple, I have to make sure the middle order is the same. 1 and 1 is the same already, then I cancel out. Means my answer I will got 2 and 2. Okay, 2 and 2. So my answer I will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Mean A, B, C, D lah. However, because I know our multiplication law is horizontal, multiple, vertical. A, B, A, B. So therefore, you will face a problem is you do not have horizontal here. You see, supposedly we have horizontal, but then horizontal now you only have one. So therefore, in this kind of case, you do not have AB, you only have A, mean you do not need to do the plus on the middle. You straight away, okay, you straight away, 1 multiple 3, you got 3. Okay, let me show you. This is something like this. You imagine this is horizontal, multiple, vertical. But then now vertical, you also have one answer only. You do not have AB, you have A only. So it's very simple. 1 multiple 3, I got 3. And then, second combination, another vertical over here, right? Will become B here. So 1 multiple 4, I got 4. And then, this horizontal over here, I will have 2 multiple 3 is 6. And 2 multiple 4 is 8. See, my answer is 2 multiple 2. Because this is something, example is very different. Because you do not have AB, but then you still need to follow the law, horizontal, multiple, vertical. You cannot suddenly change the law, become vertical, multiple, horizontal, AB, multiple, AB. No such thing, okay? For multiple, always remember is horizontal, multiple, vertical. Okay, if you can understand this concept, I think you can solve most of the questions. Okay, so I think this video is going to be quite long, so let me faster go through the past year question. Okay, in the past year question over here, I only will discuss about the paper 1 because I just want to make sure you have the basic skill, and then for the next video I will discuss on the paper 2. Because paper 2 you're going to have 6 to 8 marks, so it is quite important. However, yeah, I think you expert on this video. Actually, you can start to do the paper 2 by yourself. If you cannot, you just wait for my another video. Okay, let me start to discuss about the partial question. Okay, the first partial. Okay, actually this all partial question, I get the question from the exercise book of SAS Buddy. So if you want to see the same question and do your practice by yourself, you just go any bookstore to buy about the SAS Buddy reference book. Okay, let's start to do the first one. Okay, the first one, he asks you to find the answer. So it will be very simple. I say, if you see something like this, what you need to do is, you just multiply the 2 into it first. Okay, this question, not this question. Okay, focus on this question first. Okay, so, just cover this one for a while. Okay, so 2 multiple 3, I will got 6. 2 multiple 1, I got 2. 2 multiple 4, I got 8. This one I got 12. Minus 1, 0, negative 1, and 4. Therefore, you just do the simple minus. So 4 minus 1, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus negative 1 is 9. 12 minus 4 is 8. Answer. Okay, I think this one shouldn't have problem. Just multiple, make sure to multiple into all of it correctly, and then do your minus. But always be careful. Minus negative will get you positive. So that's what this is called 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, just be careful on this one. Don't do the carrot mistake. Okay, then the second one. Okay, have a look here. Okay, so in this one, same thing, he asks you to find m only, because this one he already give you answer, so I do not need to do like this one. What I need to do over here is quite simple. I only look for the combination A, B, C, D. I only look for the combination D over here. Okay, only look for the combination D over here, because we have A, B, C, D, right? So D is over here, D is over here, D is over here. So in order to find m, this one called 7 minus, because it's minus, then 2 I have to multiply to m, correct or not? So minus 2m will equals to 1. Okay, do you see 7 minus 2 multiple in 7 minus 2m equals to 1. Okay, but in this question, some students some of my students actually ask me something like this. Because it says 7, okay, write the 7. And then you write the minus. And then he multiple negative 2 into the m, he got negative 2m. Will equals to 1. This is wrong because actually you have 2 minus over here. Actually you only have one minus only, because if you write minus over here, you shouldn't multiple negative 2m, negative 2 into m. If you want to multiple negative 2 into m, make sure you write plus over here. If not, you got the wrong answer. However, I not recommend you to use this method, so use the simple one. 7 minus 2 multiple in is 2m equals to 1. We only have a look on the d. So it's very simple. Negative 2m will equals to 1 minus 7. Then negative 2m will equals to negative 6. M will equals to negative 6 divided by negative 2, which is m will equals to 3. Okay? It's very simple if you understand about concept. So I'm going to move on to the next one. Okay. Multiple. Okay. Let's have a look on this one. Okay, let me change this paper. Just wait for a while. Okay. Now, multiple. Okay. So I say whenever you do multiple, what's the first step? Check for the order. This one is 1 row, 2 column. Row first, then only column. So 1 row, I write 1. Column 1, 2, multiple 2. This is 2 multiple 2, so obvious. So therefore, I cancel the 2, 2. My answer is 1 multiple 2. So it's 1 multiple 2. 1 multiple 2. Okay? Okay. This one, you want to find k. You got few ways to solve it. However, if you want to do a quick way, you can also. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So, we know about multiple, right? Because I always say is horizontal multiple vertical. AB multiple AB. So over here, I can just simply use the first combination. I can get 24. Mean A multiple A multiple A, B multiple B, I will get 24. Or you can use the second combination, you can get the answer. Okay, so let me draw out the horizontal multiple vertical. Okay, let's try the first one. So this one is k multiple 3 is 3k. Plus, I say middle always is plus, right? 5 multiple negative 5 multiple negative k is negative 5k. I got the first one is 24. That's all. So this is 3k minus 5k is negative 2k. Therefore, k equals to negative 12. Okay, I just multiply the first one because A multiple A plus B multiple B, I got 24. If you want to try the second one, you can do so also. Second combination, let me try the second combination for you. Okay, so you shouldn't try the second combination because k multiple 0, you got 0. And then 5 multiple 1, you got 5. Therefore it's 5, but then do not have k. So the second combination actually cannot help you to find the k, or cannot help you to find k. Okay? However, if you're still very confused how actually I do it like this, so you can just multiple like usual by yourself. Okay, never mind lah. Let me do it here to guide you also. Okay, let me multiple, see what answer I got over here. Okay, horizontal multiple vertical, right? Horizontal multiple vertical. So k multiple 3, I got 3k. Oops, I draw wrongly. Should be somewhere over here. Never mind, I write the answer on the bottom. K multiple 3, I got 3k. Plus 5 multiple negative k, I got negative 5k. First combination. The second combination over here is k multiple 0, I got 0. Plus 5 multiple 1, I got plus 5. So therefore my answer is negative 2k and 5. After that, I compare my answer is the answer given. 5 and 5 is correct, but then the negative 2k will equals to 24. So therefore, I will write out something like negative 2k equals to 24. However, I skip all these steps because if you understand very well, actually you can straight away do, and then you got 24, and then you can get the value for k. So therefore, k will equal to negative 12. Okay, not that hard, right? Yeah, let me move on to the next one. Okay, for this one. Okay, what is the order for this question? So obviously this is 1 multiple 2, this is 2 multiple 1. Therefore, I slash the 2, my answer will get 1 multiple 1. Sorry, so therefore this is 1 multiple 1, so obvious. Okay, so what is our multiple law? Horizontal, multiple, vertical. Right or not? AB, AB. Okay, so therefore, okay, let me write down 3, 2, 4p and p. Therefore, I have my horizontal multiple vertical. Okay, so therefore it's very simple. Okay, 3 multiple 4p, I got 12p, plus 2 multiple p is 2p. So this one will give me 14p. Right or not? However, the answer given is 7. So therefore, I know 14p is equal to 7. Therefore, p will equals to 7 over 14, which is 1 over 2. Answer. Okay? Yes. Last two. Okay? If you still cannot understand, you should go and find some similar question and try it out yourself, because the best way to understand about mathematics is you do it yourself and then you find your answer. You can easily understand that. Okay, let me do this question. So before I will do the same thing. Okay, because this one didn't give me the answer, so I'm going to find the order by myself. This is 1 row, 3 row, 2 row, 3 row. 3 multiple, 1 column, 2 column, multiple 2. 1 row, 2 row, 2. Column, 1 column, multiple 1. 2 and 2 I simplify, I know my answer, I will get 3, 1. Okay, so what is the meaning for 3, 1? Mean I will got A, B, C as answer only. Okay, so let me start to multiple on the bottom here. 2, 3, negative 3, 0, 4, 1. And this is something like 1 and negative 4. Multiplication law will be horizontal, multiple vertical. Okay, this first combination, and then I have second combination, and then I will have last combination. Okay, let me start to do it here. Okay, so therefore, the first rule, A multiple with A, B multiple with B only, don't repeat. Don't 2 multiple 1 and 2 multiple negative 4, then you got it wrong. 2 multiple 1 only, then A done. And then 3 multiple negative 4, B done. Okay, so 2 multiple 1, I got 2, plus 3 multiple negative 4 is negative 12. Negative 3 multiple 1 is negative 3, plus 0 multiple negative 4 is 0. 4 multiple 1, I got 4, plus 1 multiple negative 4 is negative 4. Therefore, I will got 2 minus 12, I got negative 10, negative 3, 0. Yes, this is my answer. Okay, if okay, then let me go to the last question over here. Yep, this question. So same thing, before I start to do, I will write down the order. What is the order for this one? 1 row. So it's 1, 2, 3, 3 column. So it's multiple 3. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. 3 column. How many row? 1 and 2. Multiple 2. 3 and 3, I cut it. So my answer actually, I will get something like 1, 2. 1, 2 is A and B only. 1, 2. 1 multiple 2. Because I get from the left over here. Okay, so if you understand about this one, okay, let me start to do it. Okay, Okay, horizontal multiple vertical, right? However, just now I only teach until AB. So if you got very long like this, how you do this? Same thing. I'm going to draw this one. You will got A, B, C. A, B, C. A only multiple with A, B only multiple with B, and C only multiple with C. Not that hard, right? Yes, let me try to show you. Okay, okay, let me write over here. So this is 1, -1, 0, and then this is 5, -2, 3, 1, 0, and 4. Okay, so I will got 2 answers. So let me do, okay, horizontal multiple vertical. Just make sure you don't confuse about this one. So very simple. 1 multiple 5, I got 5. Plus -1 multiple -2, I got 2. Plus 0 multiple 3, I got 0. First answer done. And then the second combination, horizontal multiple vertical. Okay, 1 multiple 1, I got 1. -1 multiple 0, I got 0. 0 multiple 4, I got 0. Therefore, my answer will be 7, 1. Done. Okay, I think this video is enough information to make sure you understand about the multiple part. Always remember horizontal multiple vertical. Never use the vertical multiple horizontal, then you will stuck on it. Okay, horizontal multiple vertical. Remember this one. Okay, thanks for this video.